Welcome back to another video. So in case you're a new viewer, kindly subscribe to my YouTube, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming once again. So in today's video, I'm about to unbox a wig that I got from Shein, and the wig is so perfect. It's so perfect. These are the details of the wig. Yes, and let's get right into this video. Let's get straight into the video. So this is the package from Shein. So I opened it up already, and this is how it came up. Yep, this is how the whole box is, and let's unbox it together. So getting straight into it, this is the wig. So it's a straight hair or a straight wig. Wow, these are the freebies that came with it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but these are the freebies that I got with it. Okay, so apparently I have this. Let's open it together. So this is the brush for my edges, and this is makeup sponge, and it came with some lashes as well. This is how it looks, and then 3D hair cap. This for my hair just before I put the wig on. So yeah, these are the things this wig came with. And now let's get to the actual wig. So this is the wig itself. I just love the packaging. I just love the packaging. So whoa, this is how it is. That is how it is. And so it came with a manual also on how to fix the wig. It's a wear and go wig actually. Yes, it's a wear and go wig. I mean, we already know, in case you've never bought a wig from Shein, apparently it comes with this, and also this, how to join the Shein wig club. Yes, and everything is included here. So getting to the wig itself, this is the main deal. This is the main deal. Now guys, look at that. Look at that. So it's already a pre-plait wig, and it's a wear and go wig, as I said earlier on, and it's already bleached. It's a human hair wig actually. So it comes with this lace on it. So I'm taking this lace off, then I'll just put it on and show you guys how it looks. It's 180 density. 180 density, so that means the wig is full, or it's quite fuller compared to the 150 density. So I'm taking it off. First off, I'm going to take the hair off, then I put on my cap. So yeah, I'm going with this. First off, this is my scissors. If you see me looking down, I have my mirror here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it. So yeah, let's put on the wig. It has a strap at the back. This is how the lace is like. So let me go straight to it. So yeah, I have a little bit of issue with the lace. Look at how the lace is. Well, it blends perfectly, but not really perfectly. So let's try and work this out. But before that, this is the volume of the hair. This is the back. Push it back a bit. I'm going to apply my lace glue. I'm using the back of this. Next, I go in with the dryer. So I'm not going to put it on very hot, just warm, like just to blow dry it so it dries quickly. And then I pull the wig, the lace on it. Make sure it's straight. Yep. Right on. because it's already pre-cut, it's a bit easy to work with. I can work this out. Whoa. You see how it's blended perfectly? So next I'm going to put on my band. This came with another hair that I bought. It was from AliExpress, and so I'm just going to put it on so that it will melt. Then afterwards I work on the wig. Let me adjust the strap very well. I don't want it coming too tight on my hair. So yeah, this is what we have to work with now. Look at that. So next I'm going to straighten my hair. I'm just going to straighten, and then so this is what we are working with right now. So next I'm going to use this. This is my lace tinge loose to tinge the lace a bit to my shape. I'm just going to do it with my hand. Can you see that? Can you see that? So just a little bit. Yeah, so it's tinted now. This is what the foundation does. In case you don't have the mousse, this is what you use. Yeah, so this is it. This is my hair wax from AliExpress also. So I'm just going to use that on my hair. So that I'll flatten here. I just want to make it very, very flat. Before I apply my hot comb, this is what I'm using on my hair. My hot comb. I set it to the temperature I want it to be. Ooh, the sun is out. So let's do this. The sun is out, guys. Today's date. We are in the 4th week of March, and apparently it's supposed to be spring, yeah? But the sun comes out occasionally, like it's summer. So when I take the band out, I'm still going to straighten it. But for now, this is what we are working with. Look at that melt. So I'm taking the band out. Let's see the melt we got. Whoa. Whoa. At this point, I think I'll just leave it be, but I'm just going to cut. I want it to melt the lace because it's still showing, like, so I want it to completely melt the lace for me. I mean, this hair is supposed to be wear and go, but it's what I'm wearing me out. As I said, this is my first time installing the wig by myself. So, guys, let me know how I did in the comment section down below. A girl will be grateful if you let me know. Rate me. Rate this install. Rate it in the comment section. Okay, just rate it. So let's see. The sun doesn't want me to shine because it's shining on me. I look cute, I know that. So let's go ahead and straighten the hair. I should wait for it to. I'm using my flat comb or my hot comb. I just wanted to straighten it out, but let's first do it with this and see how it goes. Guys, look at that. Then I straighten it out now. I'm just going to do it in session, so I'm clipping this to my back whilst I straighten it in sessions. So I took a portion of the hair to straighten out. Next is this, my straightener. And this. My straightener and this. See the difference between the one here and this? Yeah. Let's get right to the next session. I think we are getting to the finished look, so this is what I could do. Yeah. So now let's take this off. See what the melting spray could do to the hair or to the lace this time around. Whoa, it's really melted. Whoa, wow, this is really melted. Look at that. I'm feeling myself. Now I just have to get rid of this, all these hairs, then trying to work out some. I think this is okay. I wanted to use my edge control to lay down this, but I think the melting spray has done it already. It's good. So yeah guys, this is how I could come up with this, and I hope I did well. If you like this video, please subscribe. How did I do? I think it's okay for me. I'm not going to do extra. Hi guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you think of this look in the comment section. So this is it. This hair is great. All that I know is I look cute and all that. Yep. Kindly like this video, comment and share. Subscribe to my channel also.